toilet started leaking the other day, so we are going to change out the tank bolts and change out the guts so that it has new guts anyways. But it's got the blue all over the floor. See where all of our cleaning stuff has leaked out. So we're about to tackle this project. We are going to use the 2-in-tank to bowl set by Everbuilt from Home Depot. Hopefully this fixes our problem. We'll see.
What's that doing?
Oh, side note, make sure you use a Tupperware bowl or some kind of bowl underneath it, because this water that's still sitting in the back of the tank is definitely going to come out. So we went ahead and put the Tupperware bowl down there on the floor. You can see it over there. So we don't make too much of a mess.
This one.
This is what we're changing all out over here.
Mommy.
Oh my gosh, there's a spider.
Ah! God.
Just as good as these.
This.
I think it was already dead, Joe.
No, it's moving. Oh my gosh, look.
I want to see. I want to see. I want to see.
Ah!
Where? Where? I don't see. Oh my God! It is moving.
Make sure you're using the rubber washer on the inside for this part. Wait, where's the washer?
No.
Huh. Duh.
And that little rubber thing sits on there.
Yep.
Come back up. Make sure your fill valve's tight. And that's tight. I'll just test it out before opening the flap.
sure there's no leaks coming out too. It's filling up a lot. Why did it do that?
The fill valve got caught.
Oh.
But then once it gets there, it just be dumping back in.
Oh, okay. What you cleaning with over there?
My hands.
No, what kind of product?
Myers.
Mrs. Myers.
Mrs. Myers.
It's the best. All right, we're gonna change the flapper out because it looks pretty old, yucky in there. He's adjusting the little chain so that it's short enough and it won't constantly run.
Takes a little trial there. Yeah, it stays up. So you only do one little pull, and it comes back down. The old one wasn't doing this.